Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Monopoly Go username and your user ID in Monopoly Go. To do so, you first need to launch your game on your device, and once it's launched, just click on the three lines on the top right side of your screen, like so, and here you can see your Monopoly Go username. And to know your user ID, just click on the settings button on the bottom of your screen, like so. So here you can see under legal, this is your user ID. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!